This review is of Scharffen Berger 62% semi-sweet fine artisan dark chocolate. I used to think this was a foreign brand, Scharffen Berger, but actually it's made here in Illinois, and there isn't anything remarkable about this brand, unfortunately, other than the fact that the soy lecithin is non-GMO. And it's also kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. There's the blurb and the ingredients, and there are the the ingredients and nutrition facts. So let's go ahead and give this a try. This, in the past when I tested this brand, and I'm not sure if it was this one or the blue one, which is a higher cocoa mass, I felt that it was one of my favorite brands. So I'm kind of, hoping for the best. Now they've made this like super, super thick. And obviously that's way more than I want to try right now. So let me grab a knife. Alright, so I'm going to cut this into a... There we go. That's much better. Oh. Somewhat sweet. There's a little bit of a fruity overtone to it. Probably from the vanilla. It's very nice. On tasting it, I really think that the one that I had before was blue. And, okay, so I double checked, and yes, the one that I tried previously from Scharffen Berger, when I reviewed it, this was probably like 3 years ago, was the blue 70%, which I will be reviewing later for the 70% band. For the overtones. Nicely sweet. Yeah, that is pretty good. So it's possible that they may overturn our champion right now, which is fine with me. Okay, let me get this out of the way. And that's a big bar. I had to go to an international market to get this stuff. Alright. Ironic considering that it's made in America. Alright, so I think it should be ready to see if the champion's going to hold its place or not. For the overtones. Wow, this is really, really hard. Both of them have a nice fruity overtone. Both of them have a really good flavor, not too much sugar. They both also have vanilla, although in Scharffen Berger's case it's whole vanilla beans, which I assume they grind up and mix in with the cocoa, the cacao beans. Man, this is tough. You know, I think that I'm just gonna have to say that Scharffen Berger is the new champion. But it's so close between that and the Ghirardelli 60%. So very close. But I don't know, maybe it's the extra 2% that this one has that that one doesn't. But, well, Scharffen Berger's our new champion. Thanks so much for watching this, the third round of the 60s band and the, 29th round of the whole competition. And stick around for the next round, round 30. Boop, boop, boop. Or round 4 for the 60s band. Thank you very much again, and I hope you have a great day.